MovNat is a physical education system, but instead of being derived from sport or from fitness, we find our inspiration in nature itself, which is the origin of movement. Our mission is to help people of all walks of life, but especially more modern people, reconnect to these patterns that really shaped us as human beings and help us discover and unearth our truest nature. We offer these immersive experiences to teach people an entirely different way of interacting with nature and offer them techniques that make them more capable, confident, and connected to the world around them.